In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively import invoices into QuickBooks using Intuit, ensuring you can manage your finances with ease and efficiency. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to the QuickBooks Online homepage. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials, as this step is crucial for accessing all the features we are about to explore. Once you are on the QuickBooks homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll spot the gear icon. Clicking this icon is your gateway to a multitude of settings and options that allow you to customize and manage your QuickBooks experience. After you click the gear icon, navigate to the Import Data option. This is a vital step as it allows you to bring in various types of data into QuickBooks, making it the hub of all your financial records. Keep in mind the import data function is a powerful tool that can save you a lot of time, so it's worth getting familiar with its capabilities. Now that you're in the import data section, look for the invoice option, select it to proceed with bringing in your invoices. This part is particularly useful for those of you who have been managing invoices outside of QuickBooks and now wish to consolidate them within the system. The next screen will prompt you to click Browse. Here's where you select the file from your computer that contains the invoices you want to import. Make sure your file is in a compatible format such as Excel or CSV, as QuickBooks supports these types. If you're unsure, double-check the file format or convert it ahead of time to streamline the process. After selecting your file, click Next. QuickBooks will read your file and start the importing process. This is a great moment to ensure that everything looks good and that the data is correctly aligning with what QuickBooks expects. Before completing the import, QuickBooks will highlight areas that require your attention. Click on these highlighted sections to adjust any mismatched fields or data errors. It's important to address these issues to prevent complications later on. Once you've reviewed and resolved any discrepancies, you're set to finalize the import. You've successfully brought your invoices into QuickBooks, making future financial tracking and reporting straightforward and efficient. That's it for today's tutorial. You've learned not just the mechanics of importing invoices, but also how to utilize QuickBooks' intuitive functionality to streamline your financial management tasks. Thank you for watching and happy bookkeeping!